Nung dumating sa Lovell, super happy talaga kasi hindi ko in-expect na magiging mommy ako. Lalo na baby girl pa, so kailangan mas maging maingat talaga kami.
Actually, nung nalaman ko na babae, yun na, nag-start na talaga pumasok lahat. Parang 360 degrees na nagbago na yung mindset ko na kailangan kong maging man talaga. Kaya sabi ko nga, your mommy found a boy, but you made me a man. Wish ko sa'yo, sana lumaki ka pang mabait, God-fearing, yon, intelligent, very industrious, obedient, ayun. Talagang taya kami sa iyo lahat, all the way. Hello, Bibi! I love you. I always tell you na sobrang love ka namin ni Mami mo. And we will be there for you through it all.
I'm feeling like a brand new me. Standing under, traded all my rainy days for a little summer. I fly so high right now that I might not.
Ito po yung isang pagkakataon ay pinagkaloob ng Diyos. Sa 7 taon ng pag-aalaga at pagtatalaga, ngayon po itatalagta po natin si Jobel sa ating Panginoong Jesucristo.
I'm feeling like a brand new me. For the very first time, I'm right where I'm meant to be. I'ma tell everybody I'm feeling like a brand new me. Brand new, brand new. Brand new, brand new.
Anak, you've made me a better person. And may your life be filled with compassion, kindness, and full of wisdom. And I always pray to God talaga for your good health.
The little voice in the back of my head saying, one day you'll be living a dream, you'll see. I'm feeling like a brand new me. For the very first time, I'm right where I'm meant to be.
Happy birthday, Lovell! Enjoy your day!